Did you know you can launch your favorite apps or perform tasks on your Vivo phone with just a single button with screen off? The Quick Action feature lets you access frequently used functions faster. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use Quick Action on the Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Quick Action. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Shortcuts and Accessibility. Here you'll find several shortcut options. Tap on Quick Action. Toggle it on. Press and hold the volume down button with screen off to access this feature. Step 2. Choose your favorite quick actions. Once enabled, you can customize the function. For example, you can quickly turn on or off flashlight, record the screen, open Facebook, open app to launch your favorite app. Simply select the action you want, and your phone will save it instantly. Step 3. Quick Action for Camera. When the screen is off, double-press the volume down button to launch the camera. You can see different settings for general, photos, and video you want to set using this Quick Action button to your Vivo phone. Now lock your phone. Perform the assigned button and your selected app or feature will launch immediately, saving you time every day. If you'd also like to learn how to customize the control center, change the power button function, enable split screen, take screenshots using 5 different methods, or customize your lock screen, we've already created dedicated tutorials for those. Check the links in the description or tap the I button to watch them. And that's how you can enable and use Quick Action Gesture on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.